So this is the single mattress that we're going to be replacing with the Inofia mattress. Now the Inofia one is pocket sprung and it's got the memory foam on top. The one that we're replacing is a Silentnight Classic one. Now what I found with this is it's so hard, really hard. Just going to sit on it now, and there is literally no giving it whatsoever. Nothing like the Inofia one. And the Inofia one, I'm basically getting that because we've already got a double Inofia one, and it is absolutely fantastic. Exactly the same as this one that I'm going to be unraveling, except the one that we've got is a king size and this is a single. So we're going to replace the Silentnight with. I was asked in one of the other videos for the king size, just what size the box was and how much it weighed, and roughly I could tell them the size of the box. So it's just over 1 foot square by about 4 foot tall, but what I didn't know was the weight, because I said it was really heavy. Now this is the single one, and its gross weight is well, if you call it 20 kilograms. So they're not light, but they do come really compact, and you'll see when I open it that it's vacuum packed, which keeps it compact. Okay, so this is the box. Let's just get it opened. So this was delivered from Amazon. Right, now then, I'm going to put the knife to one side and get this out. Whoa. Alright, so 20 kilograms. And put the box to one side. Now this is it, and I need to figure out, you only get one chance to open this properly, so I need to figure out which way that is. Right, okay, so we are going to want it there. No. Yeah, we're going to want it there, and it's going to unroll down that way. So first things first, take off the outer packaging. It'd be better if I had a safety knife, but unfortunately I haven't. So what I don't want to do is put the vacuum pack. Right, okay, so that's the outer packaging coming off. Right, now, it's got a bit of a prick in it because it's opening, but watch what happens when I do it properly. And that's it. Right, so all the air's gone in. All the air's gone in. And we're just going to take this outer off, let that settle, and obviously get rid of the one. So that's it. The old mattress gone. This we're not going to set it up as a bed for another few hours yet, because as I said, from previous experience, I just want to make sure that every little bit of it's expanded. So there's the label on it, conforms to BS 7177 2008, and it's lovely. You've got your memory foam on top, which is quite a thick bit of memory foam, and as I've said, inside there you've got your pocket sprung springs, which basically means that each spring is independent of the one next to it, so you tend not to get the roll to or anything like that. I would say that this is a medium to firm. It's definitely not soft, but you do get some nice spring in it, and the memory foam on top is absolutely fantastic. You can just see my fingers slipping into that. It's really good bit of tackle. And if we go down to the side, you've got it's almost It's almost velvet on the side, and your handles to move it around with. So all in all, an absolutely fantastic mattress. One that I definitely recommend. And as I say, I can do that because we've already got the king size and this is a single. So really, really good. Big recommendation.